After this year's Te Wila Festival in Samoa, festivities continued with the Alopaopao Outrigger competition. Soana K. Ahonilei reports.
A traditional welcome to Apia for competitors taking part in the 3rd annual Alopaopao Regatta. Hosted by the Ngāwhanua Outrigger Canoe Club, it's a sporting event which saw locals joined by teams from New Zealand, Tonga and Australia vying for bragging rights. And there were many firsts for this event.
The first ever celebration to be conducted on this beach.
I think a lot of us, it was the first time to witness something. I didn't even know that they actually do a traditional blessing when they carve up one canoe.
We've introduced the paopao finally into it, and it's everybody's just having fun with it.
The paopao is a single wooden bar or canoe.
Paddling on one of those things is a bit tricky. I thought it was easy, you know. I guess when you're just sitting on them, paddling, going fishing, yeah, it's pretty cool and it's easy enough. But when you're racing, it's a whole other story.
The competition was fierce. For many, it's more than just taking part in sport.
Our forefathers brought us to the islands on these bars, you know. When there was no wind, they paddled, you know. So it's important that we hold on tight and firm to this our culture, this tradition, and try and enhance the sport in all the Pacific Islands, because you know, it's in our blood, you know. It flows in our blood. That's who we are. That's how we got to the islands, and we gotta keep it that way.
When the racing finished, festivities continued with a concert headlined by Three Houses Down. And Alopaopao plans on being even bigger and better next year.
This is my message to